Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Soft cinnamon roll cookies are simply irresistible. Here's what you'll need. All the basic cookie dough ingredients, plus buttermilk, which you could make by adding lemon juice or vinegar to milk. For the dough, combine sugar, butter, butter-flavored Crisco, and cream together. Then add the buttermilk, egg, vanilla, flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Your batter will be soft, so place in a Ziploc bag and freeze for 30 minutes. For the filling, combine brown sugar and cinnamon. When the dough is chilled, roll it out to a 1/4 inch thick. Brush with melted butter, sprinkle with the cinnamon sugar mixture, then gently roll up the dough. Wrap it up in plastic wrap and freeze for another 30 minutes. Then cut into 1/2 inch slices. Place on a sheet pan and bake for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. For the icings, you can make a simple powdered sugar glaze or a classic cream cheese frosting. And when the cookies are baked up, just drizzle or brush and devour. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.